Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right permissions, otherwise personalization options are blocked. Open Start, type Settings, and go to Personalization. This is where backgrounds live. Once there, make sure your image is accessible on the local drive so you don't interrupt the flow. If you prefer a built-in option, glance at the thumbnails first, otherwise click Browse to pick your file. This first step gets you from intention to action quickly and avoids wasting time hunting menus later. You now pick the exact image and decide how it sits on screen. Click Browse, select the file, and watch the preview update. This shows the immediate result. Next, choose the position option. Fill for no bars, fit for full image, or span across multiple monitors. Make sure display scaling and resolution match the image, otherwise you'll see blur or cropping. If colors or icons conflict, try a darker or lighter image so contrast with desktop icons stays readable. Once you apply the change, double-check lock screen if you want the same image there. They're controlled separately. If the background reverts later, check account sync, group policy, or a corporate profile that forces images. Disabling sync or contacting IT often fixes it. For multi-monitor setups, use span or set each display individually. Right-click Desktop Display Settings to assign per-screen images. If colors look off, adjust Night Light or HDR settings, and then reapply the background to ensure visual consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.